assignment project presentation. Okay, to start, basically to solve using Euler's method to find dy over dx equals to x squared plus 1 over y, where y is more than 0 and y bracket 0 is equals to 1. We have to use this formula. Yn plus 1 equals to yn plus hf bracket xn over yn. So basically to start, we use y1 minus y0 equals to m bracket x1 minus x0. Basically, this is to find the gradient formula, m being the gradient, of course. So dy dx is actually equals to fx comma y. This is actually the gradient formula, so we can actually just sub it in, which is equals to m equals to f x0 y0. That's the first part of the question. Basically, to find the gradient, we can actually just go to the graph. We can find the gradient at the 2 points, x0, y0, just written on the graph. Next, h. What? H is actually the step size. We can find the step size in that actually via x minus like the previous x value. Basically, this is just to find the difference between the two values between the 2 points, like right here. So for yn, I will use the Excel sheet to actually find how this works. Right here, I have n, xn, and yn. Basically, this is the step size. Yn is what we're trying to find, and n is just the numbers. So using 0.1 as the step size for each, I have 10 values to make up 1 in total. To find yn, I have this formula, which is actually just previous y value plus the step size times x squared plus 1 over y. So this is how you find the basically yn. I got 1.91138. Yeah. So to find a more accurate answer, you can actually use the general solution. For this, basically to find dy over dx equals to x squared plus 1 over y, we use separation of variables first to find this form. Next, we integrate both sides to find this, and then we sub in x equals to 0 and y equals to 1 to find c equals to 12. I mean, sorry, half. It can be written in this formula, equation, after you found all the values. Next, to find the value of y when x equals to 1, we can sub in basically c equals to half to this equation, and x equals to 1. After you do that, you will get y equals to square root 11 over 3, which is actually equals to 1.915 in 3 dp. This is basically just the approximate of y. To find the approximation error, you can take the general solution answer, which is 1.915, minus the answer you got from the Excel sheet, the yn answer. For this, using step size 0.1, I got answer error of 0.004. If I use the step size of 0.2, I can actually get 0.006, which is a bigger margin of error. Basically, what I'm trying to say is, if you use a bigger step size, you get a bigger margin of error.